Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a question many PickAxe users may want to know about the knowledge base and how often it scans websites for updates. So let's get right into it. The short answer is this. The knowledge base does not auto-update by default. However, you do have an option to change that. Under Advanced Options, you can set it to auto-update daily, weekly, monthly, or even never. Now, for a more detailed explanation. When you upload a website, PickAxe scrapes its contents and adds them to the knowledge base. This means that what you see in the knowledge base reflects exactly what was on the website at that time. But here's the key point. By default, PickAxe will not revisit the website to re-scrape it regularly. So, if your website changes, those updates won't automatically show up unless you adjust the settings. To change this setting, simply head over to the builder. Click on Advanced Options at the bottom of the page. This will open up some additional toggles for you. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Knowledge Base. Here, you can set how often you want the web-based knowledge to be refreshed. And that's it. By managing these settings, you can ensure that your knowledge base stays updated according to your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.